enter username and password. The subscriber registration. Enter the name. Enter the mobile number. Yeah, so this is the agent. You can select, and for select for agent also. If it is 2, then it will be divide commission. This is collection staff. You have to select the collection staff, and this is the real group and temporary group. If you want to select, you can select the temporary and real also. Then passbook and ticket number, and save it is. Yeah. And you can show the which you entered list. And this is a route chart. From this form, you can take printout and give to the collection agent. Uh, after this, they will enter the collection amount and receipt number. And this is the daily collection. Enter the collection amount each by collection staff. This is the daily collection which you entered. You can show this report, daily collection report. This form, this is a journal entry form. This form is used for only entry expense and salary details. This is check collection entry, collection by bank. This form used for a check entry collection. Select your bank and enter that check number and check details and check date also. And this auction payment voucher generation. This form used for auction generation. There are many type of auction. One is adjustment and offer cheats, and the other one is final payment and cancellation payment. Many are there. Then you have to choose the group, member name, ticket, and passbook, and month. See, if there is any auction done, it will show like that only. Yeah, Jalaja auction month, and enter the amount of auction 70,000, and if you taking tax, otherwise enter the 0, and net payment also 70,000. And okay, after doing the auction generation, then chitti payment. Yeah, select the pin, select the customer Jalaja, then by check, cash, or COC. If it is check payment, you have to enter the check. What you giving the check, that enter the check number, check details, and the check date also. This is a ledger which you today all day reports. It is debit and credit, and one more is their bank. This is bank statement. You are given 70,000 and you got 15,000 from the customer installment. Yeah. This is the balance report. Chitti running balance. You can take from all branch also, or Chitti by Chitti group also. Yeah, here it is showing collected amount each person, and dividend which you given, and priced amount which you given, and actual dividend, and installment amount, and actual installment, and the balance. Yeah, that is the auction number 2, and commencement date, termination date, and agent also. And this is a Chitti group registration. If you want to make new Chitti group, type your new Chitti group number and Sala and member of how many members and installment, and select the commencement date. The termination date will be automatically come. And if it is offer Chitsi, you have to enter the amount also, payable amount 95, second is 75, like that. Then subscriber registration, collection route chart, check collection, chitti payment, check passbook verification, fine and bonds entry, and staff registration, new chitti registration, group registration, bill book allocation. Bill book allocation meaning, see the collection, when you giving the passbook for the collection staff, you have to enter the bill book number and receipt start number and end number. And need the new head and user settings, so user privilege setting, yeah, which is shown for users, which is not shown. Yeah, this is admin. This is a commission generation. You can generate commission of if the customer is not qualified, because of the customer not paid, not given any installment. The qualified meaning the customer given 5% of Sala, so that is a qualified. They are showing qualified. Not qualified meaning the customer didn't pay any collection amount. So, and sanction meaning you already given the commission. Yeah, after you sanction, then you have to go to chitti payment. From there you can GT payment. From there you can see the commission. You can give by the cash, check, or you can give by half payment also. And payment issue, update member group and branch, document registration, surety registration, and report, subscriber details, daily collection, staff wise report, offer report, group wise report, passbook verified report, tax report, format reports, backup, cash book edit, details, and many more are there.